Hey, what's up, guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. And today, I got here the YMS-15 GYAN Mastergrade from Bandai, and this is from the Universal Century series mobile suit Gundam. And this is one of my favorite models from that series because this looks really unique and a bit bizarre, since it looks like a knight, a chivalrous knight, and the appearance of this kit is really cool compared with the traditional samurai looking Gundam model kits, and this orcish design of the mono-eyed Zaku's from the Zeon kits, or the Zeon faction. So this is also part of the Zeon faction, and it's being piloted by Mukuve, and there it's a really unique looking kit here. So the color of this kit is also nice. It has this indigo colored legs, head, torso from the abdomen, and the upper extremities. They are all indigo, and it's been contrasted with the dark blue colored feet, waist parts, especially the side skirts, and the upper chest or the upper torso. And the cool thing here with this kit is it has this uniquely looking shield here, which is a bit large around the knight shield, like this, and it has this Zeon crest here, and it has these mines and missiles incorporated within the shield frame. So it has the function of launching these arsenals to kill and explode its enemies. Okay, so this is a bit tall kit, and I really like the weapon of this kit, which is this kind of lance, or this kind of sword, fencing sword, and it emits this kind of beam blade. It's really long melee weaponry for this kit. So this is very cool. I really like the concept made with this kit, and it breaks the traditional samurai-ish style of most Gundam kits or Gundam mobile suit. So it's surprisingly a kit that can do some nice chivalrous poses, which I really got surprised when I post this kit in my after I finished this, and I took photos of the poses. So it's very nice. I really like it. So let's start with the articulation. So the head here can rotate up to this far, so it's not 360 degrees because of this pointy structure here, which can be this pit here on the torso hinders it from being moved to 360 degrees rotation. And the eyes of this kit, I painted it with gold, and for you to move the eyes, you need to remove the cap here, there. So you got here this head cap, and we got here the transparent visor, and there you can see the eyes there, the mono eye, and you can move it side to side, sideways, if you want to display it with this moving sensor or eyes like that. So if you want to do so, you may adjust it by removing the cap. So, okay, I will now return it. So there you go. And for the upper arms, you can rotate or move 360 degrees like that. Let's first remove the shield, because the shield tends to make it sag leftwards, because this is really heavy. This is a heavy shield. So there we go. And the biceps can rotate 360 degrees like this, and the elbow can bend double jointed, and it can move or bend 180 degrees like this. Okay, very decent bend, and it's a bit loose, by the way. And the hands are on ball joint, the wrist, and we got this classical trigger finger and three finger articulation for this hand, and the thumb can also move like that. Okay, so there we go. For the waist here, it can rotate like this, but there's, I don't know, this is a bit annoying here, this part on the torso where it always keeps on moving like that. And we got here these cockpit here, which is a bit hard to open. Yeah, there. Okay, so if you open the cockpit here, you can see Mukove inside. There you go. There you go. You can see Mukove there, but it's a bit dark because Mukove is black as well, or gray. He's being molded into the color of the inner frame also. So I wish they did the white Mukove there. Anyway, so there we go to the waist. The waist here can or the side skirt from the waist can raise up to this far. Okay, and the front skirts here can raise up to this far also. And the legs is a bit annoying here because this pieces here tends to loosen up, so I don't like playing it so much, because the more you play with this by making it pose into whatever you want posing, will make the joint a bit loose like that. Okay, so the legs can kick up to this far. The butt flap cannot move, by the way, so it cannot kick backwards very high, so it can kick only up to this far. Okay, so there we go. Again, as I can say, this hinge here tends to move freely because it's now loose. And for the knees, it can bend double jointed. Okay, so there, it can bend double jointed like that. And for the feet here, just very cool, this chivalric feet here can move side to side, and plantar extend and plantar flex. And also we got here toe triple toe flex here, so there you can flex 3 ways. Okay. And what I like here with this kit is it has a good balance, even if it stand on 1 feet, so you can really do cool poses with this one. Let's see, it can balance on its own, and there we can do some action pose like this. Okay, there. So by the way, the shoulders can raise up to that far, and there's an extra hinge there which can raise the shoulder very high up to this far. Very cool, very dynamic, and just be careful because the more you play with this, the joint tends to lose so much as well. Okay, so if you're going to hold the weapon here, it's a bit slanted for the lunging poses or lunging attacks like that. So there, it's very cool. See, you can do some lunging attacks like that. Okay, so let's go with the shield. So in the shield, I already attached the other sword handle, because supposed to be this is the sword when it's not yet wielded, and when you wield the sword you need to remove this, okay, by removing it like that. Okay, and also by the way, this is the sword that has the batteries and lights, but I didn't put the batteries and the light mechanism here because I don't want to put it. Anyway, the beam here is a bit hard to remove, so it's a bit thick, so I tried removing that, but I heard some cracking sound, so I didn't attempt to remove it after that. But if you're asking if the beam can be placed with this reserve part here, yes, it can be attached here. They are the same diameter here. Okay. So let's go with the shield. So the shield here is really big and heavy. Actually, this is a heavy kit or part here, and it can fold as well. So if you want to do some dynamic shield poses here, you can also put it like this, and there you can wield it like this. Okay, can able to hold it or wield it like this. Okay, oops. There you go, you can hold like that, but it's a bit heavy, and as you can see, the joint, the elbow joint can extend on its own because of this. So you need to angle this a bit like this. Okay, and pose the other hand whatever you like. So there you go, you can pose like this. So let's discuss about the other feature that makes the GYAN cool. Is it has this simple rounded shoulder armor, or this deltoid part here, which makes it a bit simple but cool looking design. And the booster here is really nice. It's a bit simple booster also. It can move up and down like that, and the simplicity of this kit really makes it for me outshine some of my kits because of the color as well and the design. And this kind of bell bottom like pants or feet armor or leg armor makes it it's like the 70s or 80s outfit like that. It's like the Bee Gees outfit, which makes it stand out from most of my kit as well. So it doesn't look like Gundam or a mecha model or mecha suit that came from Gundam, so it doesn't look like that, by the way. And so let's have a quick size comparison for this kit. So we got here the Gelgug from Char, Asnable. So of course, Gelgug by Char is a bit taller than the GN, and these are made by the Zimad from the anime. So they are both from the Zimad Corps. And also, let's compare it, of course, with the one who killed the GN, the RX-78 from Amuro. So GN is a bit taller than the iconic Amuro-Ray's mobile suit, the Gundam. So there we go. We got the full cast from that scene. And just watch the Universal Century Gundam anime, and you will see what happened with these three mobile suits here. So thank you so much for watching this review, and see you next time for my other reviews. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studios, and good night. God bless. Take care.